Other big set of earnings that came out yesterday post-market close was from Dr. Reddy's. Ekta is here to bring us all of the highlights there. Ekta, largely in line?
Well, it was largely in line, but it was supported by a lot of different elements this quarter. So, for example, the revenue was up 16%. Street was anticipating 17% growth. Margins came in line at around 25%. Profit at around 959 odd crores. And the Street was anticipating over around 1,000 odd crores. But this time round, the numbers were supported by the PLI scheme revenue, which was to the tune of around 30 odd crores. Divestment of brands to Eris Life Sciences, which supported the India business, that was 264 crores. Revlimid generic, the cancer drug contribution in the US markets aided. So overall, what the Street was worried about is that the US market slowed and was slower than estimates. It came in at around $310 million or thereabout versus estimates of $340 million. India reported a growth of 32% but was aided by the divestment of brands to Eris. Adjusted growth was around 5% and adjusted margins for divestments as well as all of these different elements that supported the numbers was at around 21% as per se Antique versus their estimates of around 23.5%. So that's probably what's going to weigh on the stock this morning is the different elements which really supported the business. But if you look at the reported numbers, they were in line.
Okay, Ekta, thanks a lot for breaking down all of those numbers for us. In fact, remember, we will be joined by DRL's Chief Executive Officer, Erez Israeli, at 8:35 a.m. this morning to discuss the numbers and their outlook. So do remember to stay tuned for that big conversation. With that, it is time for a short break on the show. But when we come back, we're going to shift focus to the world of commodities and take you through all of the action there. So stay tuned.